Three important principles in raising budgies. 1. Environment and cage. Budgies are usually raised in cages. The cage should be large enough to allow them to fly and move around inside the cage. 2. Nutrition. Proper nutrition is very important for budgies. They need varied diets that include seeds, fruits, vegetables, and other. 3. Cleaning. The cage is most important task in daily cleaning process, which should be done on a daily basis for proper breeding and prevention of budgie disease.